anymore. So there goes Ian Logie at the start-finish line. Miles Rudman in the Porsche, or husband Warren. That would be absolutely the last thing that either of them would wish. Now we're starting to see back Mark Alappary now, because Richard Neary is starting to close up on the 2 GT4 Mercedes. Just covered off the move from Matthew Higgins there. Charles was a little bit slower coming in towards Clearways and Clark Curve than the Aston Martin behind, but he just managed to position the Mercedes. 11.2 seconds is the lead advantage between themselves and Paul Bailey. Seamus Jennings is still third, and this is the battle still for 4th and 5th place. The two Top Cats Racing with Hex.com Lamborghinis. Gilbert still behind his wife at the moment. On the basis Warren is only doing the sprint races. So what have we got in the race? We've got 14 minutes remaining. Paul Bailey is over the start-finish line now will come. And still Stephen Walton being chased up towards Paddock Hill Bend by John Curry. So whilst those two are husband Warren, that would be absolutely the last thing that either of them would wish. Now we're starting to see back Mark Alappary now, because Richard Neary is starting to close up on the 8.5 minutes to go. Richard Neary picks his way for the